noise. There are too many words upon the air that carries currents all. The smallest sound disfigures meanings great, and only where is little said is depth of hearing found. I have known moments where a silence great heard many things. For where clings soul to soul, the matter that here matters carries weight. When in a word unsaid was heard the whole. And I have heard a sermon of much length that heard was not, for that it would not end. When but a phrase ends not, for that its strength it knows unto its echo yet to lend. For echoes are but spectres, yet live on. There where loud emptied skulls they all have done.